vlog. It's me, MJ. For today's video, I'm gonna do unboxing. This is my first collection from Burberry. So let's start, guys. Ooh. It's sealed. This is my first collection from Burberry. So they really wrap it. Let's start. I don't wanna break this. Maybe I can reuse it. Christmas is coming, so I can reuse this. Oh my gosh. Oh, should tape it. Oh, so it's easy to remove in this way. Okay, so I can reuse this. So here we go. Choo 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 choo. Oh, they wrap it here too. Thank you to my salesperson. I forgot your name. Thank you so much. Of course, there is a dust bag. This is my first collection from Burberry. So I like this because this is very lightweight. Are you ready, guys? Oh, look at this. So here we go. So this is my new collection from Burberry. This is very lightweight, guys. So there is extension for this is the strap. So there is a gold hardware in both sides. And they're also adjustable. You can make it longer if you like. Where is it? Cannot tie. Anyways, let's see inside. So there is here embossed for this their logo, Burberry. This is gold hardware. And it's very smooth to close and open. And guys, this is quilt material. It's very soft. It's like my other bag, my mini YSL Toy Lulu. This one is very soft and it's very lightweight. So I will not have problem on my shoulder that is heavy, even if I put a lot, I think. So let's see inside. So this is the interior. Is black. I don't know what material this is, but this is cloth. And there is a small pocket in here. So they have their card. I don't know what is this. This is a Chinese. Oh, there's also English. I know it's not English. Anyways, this is not that important. So here is inside interior. There is only one small pocket inside and a big compartment. So I will try to put my things in here from my other bag. So here we go. This is my new collection from Burberry. Thank you so much to the guy who assists me, the salesperson. Thank you so much for introducing me on this bag. I forgot the name of this bag, so I will just put it here. Yeah. So let me put my other things that I used to use every day. Just wait, guys. So that's the things I used to take with me every day. So let's start putting now things in my bag. So let me just remove this sticker. Oh, so shiny. First thing, my mini pochette. I have my other things here. This I use as my wallet. So I have my cash in here. And then my key pouch. My key pouch. Still have a lot of rooms. My power bank. It's just there. It's in the side. My snacks. My snacks. It's only one, so snack. And then my face powder. My face powder. And then my sunglass. Gosh, still have a lot of room. Still have rooms, guys. Look. And also, what I like about this one, this is not too big, this is not too small, and still have rooms that if I want to put something else. And it's not heavy, it's very lightweight, guys. I love it. I love it. I think this will be my new favorite bag because it's very lightweight. I will not have a pain on my shoulder. This is the length. I can also still have how many holes? 2 holes if I want to make it longer, but I think the size of this is fine for me. So here I can use as a shoulder bag. This how it looks like as a shoulder bag. It's cute. I think I can use it as a formal or casual wear. So I used to wear mostly casual wear, so this is perfect size, and also the weight was very light and it's very soft. It's quilted, so good. I like it. Perfect. So this is my new collection from Burberry. Thank you so much to the salesperson who assists me. Thank you. You introduced me this one and I really love it. It's very lightweight. It's perfect. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye!